Today we will discuss experiment number 5 to prepare and standardize 0.1 normal potassium permanganate solution. Objective of this experiment: understand the concept of standardization and principle of standardization of potassium permanganate, then identify titrate and titrant in titration, then understand the concept of factor calculation, understand the concept of percentage purity, then observe correct meniscus of solution in burette and color changes at the end point of the titration. The requirement: potassium permanganate, oxalic acid and sulfuric acid. This solution are used for the experiment potassium permanganate standardization and preparation. Principle of this experiment: in this experiment, a solution of primary standard oxalic acid will be used as a reducing agent, and to determine the normality of a solution of oxidizing agent, that is potassium permanganate. The process of titration of a standard of known concentration against a solution of unknown concentration. This is called as a standardization. Means in the standardization process there is a one known concentration, and second is a which is known concentration against is a unknown concentration, and the reaction in which electrons are transferred from one species to another are called as a oxidation reduction reaction, which is a redox reaction. When one species lose electrons by an oxidation process, another species simultaneously gains electrons by a reduction process in a chemical reaction. In this experiment, we will consider the following redox equation. This equation, and then we can separate this equation into two half cell reactions, which is a half cell reaction reduction reaction, and second is half cell reaction oxidation reaction. Of this experiment, first step is a preparation of potassium permanganate solution. The solution of any molarity may be prepared by dissolving 158 gram of potassium permanganate dissolved in 900 ml of water, in heating on a water bath for 1 hour, cooling, filtering through a sintered glass filter, and adding sufficient water to produce 1000 ml. Then stored protected from a moisture. This is the first step of this experiment. There is a preparation of potassium permanganate solution, and the next step is a standardization of potassium permanganate solution. Take a 10 ml of 0.1 normal oxalic acid solution in a conical flask, then add 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid, then heat up to 70 degrees Celsius and titrate this heated solution against potassium permanganate. Report the reading and calculate the normality. Next is a calculation of a standardization. In this calculation, formula is potassium permanganate is equivalent to oxalic acid, then A1 into N1 into V1 is equal to A2 into N2 into V2. N1 means normality and V1 means volume. Then N1 is equal to A2 into N2 into V2 divided by A1 into V1. Then there is A1 and A2 are stoichiometric coefficients of oxalic acid and potassium permanganate in a balanced chemical equation. After completion of the calculation of the standardization, then the of this calculation is put into this result.